welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you top 10 creative and powerful S Pen features on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's get started. Now the first one is circle to search. If you see anything on the screen and want more info, you don't need to type, just circle it. Press and hold at the home button and then use your finger or the S Pen to circle any text, image or product. Instantly, Google shows results based on what you select. No typing or app switching needed. Second one is to turn your S Pen into a smart calculator. To do that, you need to open up your Samsung Notes and write any math problem using the S Pen. Now tap on these three dots in the top right and enable Math Solver. Now write your equation and add an equal sign. Your phone will solve it instantly. Even if something isn't calculated, you can still circle it using the home button and get detailed result from Google. Next, if you take notes from videos, this feature is a game changer. Go to settings, then advanced feature and select S Pen and open air command. Make sure show air command icon is turned on. Now open up the video you wanted to watch, tap the S Pen icon and select create note. Once that note opens, switch to split screen view so you can watch the video and write notes at the same time. Moving on, let's turn your S Pen into a real-time translator. First, open up your setting, scroll down to advanced feature, tap on S Pen and go into air command. Now open shortcuts and add the translate option if it's not already there. Also make sure the air command icon is turned on. Now once that is set up, just tap on the air command icon anytime and select translate. If needed, download your preferred language first and then simply hover your S Pen over any text or select portion of it and it will instantly translate for you. Moving on, if you got any idea when your phone is locked, you don't need to unlock it. Simply pull out the S Pen while the screen is off. A note will appear instantly. Write your note and tap the pen icon to save it. It will stay on your lock screen or always on display so you can quickly see it later. Next, if your drawing is not good, the S Pen will help you to draw any shape. Hold your S Pen on the screen for a few seconds after the drawing. If auto shape is enabled, it will convert your rough drawings into a clean, perfect shape. If you need a quick access to note while using other apps, open Samsung Notes and create a note. Then use the pop-out options to make it a floating window. Now your note stays on the top of other apps like a sticky note. You can move it, resize it and keep working without switching the scanner. Now let's talk about one of the most creative studio. Tap on the S Pen icon and open Creative Studio. Here you will find out options to generate stickers, wallpaper, cards and more. For example, you can create a birthday card by drawing something or selecting any image from your gallery. Then tap on Generate to create different versions. Now finally, let's make sure never lose the S Pen. Go into settings, scroll down to advanced feature and select S Pen. Then go to more S Pen settings, turn on one if the S Pen is left behind. Now your phone will alert you if you walk away without it. So guys, these are some of the tips and tricks for the S Pen. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.